Welcome to Mise. At Mise, we are all about maximizing our efforts, minimizing waste so we can optimize our time in the kitchen and have the most fun. Ooh, excuse you, honey. What our mission is to teach people kitchen intuition. The idea that you can look at a recipe and use it more as inspiration or a guide versus I have to do this, and if I don't have every single ingredient, then I can't do it. Mise is an app that helps you combine multiple recipes into a custom cooking plan. For one meal or many, you choose to cook all at once or over the course of a few days, and Mise plans the cooking strategy for you. Overlapping ingredients, actions, and steps helps you make more from your efforts in the kitchen. We always want to find those ingredients that overlap because no one likes to have that half-wilted old bunch of herbs that you didn't finish using because you just had to use one sprig for a recipe. You can love, love, love cooking, but sometimes really not want to cook. Mother of God! So I am here to show you how to absolutely love cooking, but spend less time in the kitchen. As we build this kitchen intuition, we're gonna have the confidence for whatever comes our way. We did it. We maximized, we minimized waste. Let's go have fun.